Good morning, folks. Greg here with Southern Star Roofing. We're out here in Chesnee, South Carolina here this morning, looking at someone's metal horse stall barn that got damaged by branches falling out of the tree, and they did an insurance claim. And so we're out here looking at the roof here this morning where it's all damaged, where we'll have to replace some metal panels. So I just kind of wanted to show you here what kind of damage they got going on and let you see what the building is. So here's the building, and that's the metal barn. And coming around the side here, there's where the branches came down. It took the gutters off the building and damaged half of the roof panels on the roof, plus damaged the siding. So I'm out here to give them an estimate. It also damaged some of the rafters inside the building. So I'll take you in and show you that. And so here's the inside of the building. But so we got pretty significant damage here from the tree branches falling on. But like I said, they were able to do an insurance claim with State Farm. And so we are out here and we're going to put together an estimate for them and go from there. And if you have any roofing needs or your guys to go to, we do have offices in Charlotte, Asheville, North Carolina, and Greenville, South Carolina. So our website is www.southernstarroofing.com. So if you have any roofing needs or you need a free inspection done, give us a call at 704-YES-ROOF. Have a great day.